Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the issue of using Afterpay online at any store. So first is you want to go to afterpay.com or download the Afterpay app and create an account. After you create an account, tap on the shop tab to explore partnered stores. If your store isn't listed, scroll down to find the Afterpay card to set up. Tap on Add to Wallet to activate the virtual Afterpay card. This will link Afterpay with your Apple Pay or Google Pay. And then, open your preferred store's website in your browser. Shop as usual and head to checkout. Choose Apple Pay or Google Pay and select the Afterpay card. Afterpay will instantly split your payment into 4 equal installments. You'll be charged the first week payment today and the rest every 2 weeks. Make sure that you have enough balance in your account before placing an order and use the app to monitor payment due dates and receive reminders. If this helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching.